Forget five-star hotels. What if your penthouse could travel at 80 miles per hour? And what if it had a secret garage built right into the belly for your hypercar? Today, we are exploring the ultimate freedom money can buy. We're breaking down the 7 levels of luxury motorhomes, from accessible premium vans to $5 million rolling palaces that defy reality. Let's hit the road. Level 1. The premium Campervans. This is where luxury hits the road. Meet the Airstream Interstate 24X and the Winnebago Rebel. Built on the legendary Mercedes Sprinter chassis, these aren't your grandpa's RVs. They offer smart controls, premium leather, and intelligent space saving. There is a full wet bath, a Corian countertop kitchenette, and enough lithium batteries to run your AC completely off-grid. The greatest advantage here is scale. You can legally park them in standard city spaces. Fuel efficiency is an impressive 18 miles per gallon. Filling up costs around $100. It's no wonder many celebrities use these Level 1 vans as their daily drivers for long, private commutes. Level 2. The Super Cs. If Level 1 is a studio apartment, Level 2 is a mobile townhouse. We are stepping up the size and heavily stepping up the power. Models like the Renegade Verona and Dynamax Izada bring heavy-duty commercial truck power to the luxury family travel segment. Built on massive Freightliner chassis with gigantic Cummins diesel engines, the driving experience is commanding. You sit high above traffic in commercial air ride seats. At this $500,000 level, you unlock slide-outs. With a simple push of a button, entire walls move outward, instantly doubling your living room space. You are now cooking on residential solid surface countertops, storing food in full-size French door refrigerators, and sleeping on a real walk-around king-size bed. It's a true, uncompromised mobile apartment. Basic annual maintenance runs a few $1,000s, but they offer incredible utility. Thanks to the truck chassis, you have a towing capacity of up to 20,000 pounds. You can drag a heavy boat or a luxury SUV behind you and never even feel it. Level 3. Luxury Class A. Now we are officially leaving standard camping behind and entering the realm of the wealthy elite. Welcome to the Newmar King Air and the Tiffin Zephyr. From the outside, they look like high-end touring buses used by rock bands. But inside, it is pure, unadulterated luxury. We are talking heated, hand-laid porcelain floors, custom-crafted Italian hardwood cabinetry, and designer fixtures throughout. You don't just get a bathroom, you get a spa. Full-size glass showers, double vanities, central vacuum systems, and stacked washers and dryers are standard. The dashboard features advanced collision mitigation systems, digital displays, and 360-degree camera arrays. The air suspension makes a 40,000-pound vehicle feel like a floating cloud. Filling the massive 150-gallon diesel tank costs around $600, but it rewards you with an incredible cross-country range in total silence. Many owners actually hire professional drivers for these, treating them like a private jet on wheels. Here is also where you start paying for exclusive RV Country Club memberships. Level 4. Extreme Expedition. What if you are a multimillionaire who wants 5-star luxury, but you want it completely off the grid in the middle of nowhere? Meet the Earth Roamer HD and the SLR-V Commander. These are military-grade beasts built on severe-duty Ford F750 or MAN truck chassis. Outside, they are armored to conquer almost any terrain on Earth. But step inside, and you are standing in a modern, ultra-sleek Manhattan penthouse. You will find custom wine fridges, zero-gravity leather recliners, radiant floor heating, and premium espresso machines. But their real secret is their engineering independence. These vehicles ditch noisy generators and propane tanks completely. They feature massive 2,100-watt solar arrays on the roof and gigantic lithium battery banks in the basement. With 250 gallons of fresh water and 115 gallons of diesel, you can live in the deep wilderness for a month without ever sacrificing your air conditioning. They utilize vacuum-infused carbon fiber bodies to save weight. Built entirely by hand in Colorado, the waiting list for one of these apocalyptic luxury bunkers is over a year. Level 5. Custom Conversions. This is the ultimate rockstar treatment. At this level, you aren't buying a finished RV, you are commissioning a piece of rolling art. Companies like Marathon Coach or Liberty Coach start with a commercial Prevost bus shell. These are million-mile stainless steel monocoque chassis designed for non-stop commercial transit. Just the custom multi-layer exterior paint job can take specialized artists over 3 months to complete by hand. Every line is perfectly laid out. Inside, you dictate every single detail. You choose the exact vein of the marble countertop and the specific grain of the exotic wood. 4K televisions silently slide out of custom cabinetry. Motorized blinds, dual climate zones, and mood lighting are entirely voice-controlled or run through an iPad. Owners of these magnificent machines don't park in regular campsites. They buy luxury plots in places like the Motor Coach Country Club, paying hundreds of dollars a night just for parking. These are heavily favored by Formula One drivers, legendary musicians on tour, and Fortune 500 CEOs who demand absolute, impenetrable privacy while traveling. Level 6. The mansions with garages. We are now reaching the absolute pinnacle of standard engineering. Because why tow a car behind you when your RV can simply swallow it? The Concorde Centurion and the legendary Newell coach represent the elite fraction of the industry. The Newell Coach P50 was actually designed in collaboration with Porsche Design. Unlike Level 5, Newell doesn't use a commercial bus shell. They build their own custom chassis from scratch. This allows for a completely flat floor from the dashboard to the rear bedroom. The bespoke interiors are breathtaking. They feature fiber optic starlight headliners exactly like a Rolls-Royce, massive spa bathrooms, quartz countertops, and multiple private living zones. These rolling mansions can weigh an astonishing 55,000 pounds. To even make it around tight corners, they use complex, active steering rear axles. Driving a 55,000-pound mansion requires immense skill and sometimes a special commercial license, but the experience of limitless luxury is utterly unmatched. Level 7, the hyper-luxury. Vehicles so extraordinary, so exceedingly rare, and so astronomically expensive, they completely defy financial logic. Welcome to the absolute pinnacle of German engineering, the Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum and the majestic Volkner Mobile Performance S. Built on a heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, the Vario Perfect features an XXL rear garage that effortlessly swallows a full-size sports car. Its interior is designed like a super yacht, utilizing 3 massive aerodynamic slide-outs to create a vast living space with real platinum accents. Inside, you are surrounded by rare Macassar ebony wood, hand-blown crystal fixtures, and absolute engineering perfection. Everything is heated, cooled, or motorized. The custom-tuned Burmester sound system integrated into the Volkner alone costs over $300,000. That's more than the entire price of a Level 2 motorhome, just for the speakers. At Level 7, there are no compromises. It is the ultimate flex of wealth, mobility, and exclusivity, completely unmatched by anything else on the highway.